Hello and welcome to your Facebook Live. My name is Mariah Jacobs and I'm your Bright MLS Customer Success Coach for today. Today I'm going to go over an awesome tool by the name of Result Stats. Result Stats is a great tool that helps you get a guesstimation, not even just a guesstimation, accurate overview as to the minimum, max, median, and average list price, beds and baths, price per square footage on listings in your area. And I should say your desired area. So if you want to learn more about that, let's take a tour. So say, for instance, we're going to complete a search and we want to know exactly what's going on in a designated area that we're going to list a home. We can use result stats for maybe a subdivision neighborhood, county level, postal city, zip code, MLS area. But for today's example, I'm going to use the zip code method. So again, I click the search option, residential cell. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the desired zip code that I want to pull statistical reports on. So I'm going to add in 22304, which is Alexandria, Virginia. And I want to see what has closed in the last 30 days for single family homes. So I'm going to scroll down, select my close option here, change my date range to the last 30 days. And then of course I'm going to select single family homes, detached. I now have 12 matches. You're going to go ahead and click the results option here. And keep in mind, you can add any criteria to the specific search just to give you those results that you are looking to pull in, right? So I have all of the listings selected here that match that criteria. At the very bottom here, it says actions. On my far right, there's a tool called Results Stats, okay? In order for Results Stats to be highlighted, you have to select the listings within your results, at least one. So I've selected all of the listings. I'm going to go ahead and click Results Stats. And as you see, I have my header here, okay? So this is something that you can present to either your buyer or your seller, letting them know that you know exactly what's going on in those areas. So we pulled a report in the area of 22304 for detached homes, okay? As you see here, it provides us the minimum, max, average, and median for beds, baths, year built, acres, above grade finished square footage, close price per square footage, the list price, close price, the concessions, okay, and close date, okay. Now you scroll down here and you get a grand total. As you can see, it's called Quick Statistics, providing us the minimum, max, average, and median for list price and close price, as well as the days on market for listings in that area. So if you're short on time, you don't have time to create a CMA, create a results statistics report here. This can be again located within your results screen. Select those listings and go ahead and share that information with either your buyer or seller. I hope this information is resourceful to your business, and thanks for watching.